Here I am at the basement, crypt and sepulchre of the Archbishops of Cologne. So we're gonna go down here. And by the way, it's a good thing I went to the back already because now they've blocked it off for some reason. So anyway, I'm glad that they didn't block off the basement. Wow, cool. Wow, it's nice and cool down here. It's like going down into an old castle. Oh wow, how neat. Oh, this is really neat. Beautifully carved. This is some the old foundation. There's rock foundation. It's actually not a very big area. Well. Okay. A lot of old excavations down here. Cool. Wow. Oh, that's neat. I wonder where some of these places lead to. Obviously, this is all new. This is not old, so they must have built this just to... Oh, wow, that's neat. Interesting place. Okay, not much more than that down here. I can't go anywhere else. So I'm gonna go back up, and again, hopefully I can get up the spire. Go back up. So it's too bad that they blocked off the back portion of the cathedral. Oh, they're allowing people in now. Oh, they're allowing some people in. I'm not sure what's going on. But anyway, I was already back there, so that's fine. Hello. She's looking at me. That's funny. Okay. All right. I'm going to go around the front and try to get up the spire. Oh, there's another place over here. Treasury. Ah, wow. Okay, I'll have a look over here. Okay, here's the treasury. Looks like more like a gift store. Oh, wow, this is really exciting. All right, well, it's kind of like... Oh, that's pretty cool though. Okay, I don't need to visit the books or the store. Oh, please go ahead. Okay. When they said treasury, I assumed a real treasury. Oh, the cathedral shop. Okay. I don't know where the treasury is. Anyway, no worries. But nice vaulted ceilings, huh? Wow. It's gonna be watching a lot of people here today. Sorry, pardon me. Yeah. Okay. Well, somebody's not happy.